Today, I'll show you how to create an animated pop-out effect in Canva. Let's begin. Open Canva and create a new video project. Select the landscape resolution. Go to the Elements tab. Scroll to Shapes. And choose a circle. Resize the circle. Navigate to the color options, scroll to Gradients, and select a gradient. Click to add a new color, choosing the circular gradient style. Return to Elements, search for Circle Hole, and select the simple circle hole under the Graphics category. Resize the circle hole and center it perfectly over the gradient circle. Change its color to white. Next, in the Elements section, search for Juice Bottle. Click on Graphics, select an appropriate image, and add it to the page. Rotate and resize the image to extend slightly outside the circle frame. Go to Layers and click Show Layers. Select the gradient circle layer. Set its duration to around 4 seconds. Apply the pop animation and reduce the speed. Select the image layer. Apply the baseline animation. Reduce its speed and enable reverse exit animation. Adjust the image duration to be shorter than the circles. Duplicate the circle hole layer. Move the duplicate to the top of the layer and center it. Crop the duplicated circle hole from the top using the Crop tool. Click Done. Preview the final result. The image pops out dynamically from the gradient circle. If this tutorial was helpful, subscribe to the channel for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching.